Yep, day 2, still a little windy. Did a wool pad on it. No lacquer paint, so use a wool pad on it and polish the heck out of it. It ain't perfect, but put a good coat of wax on it. See what happens. Didn't turn out too bad. You don't expect it to be perfect. Sitting all winter, just wants it to look good for a funeral. Still got a little bit more to do to it, and drug it outside to see how it looks in the sun. See if I missed any spots or not. Don't look too bad. Not perfect, but it looked better than it did. Alright. Maybe we'll see more later on. See ya.